This is the 100 kVA 3-phase SAVEOPTIMA user panel. This is the main switch cut out. Below that you can see the display, 4-line 20 character display. Each character is allocated with specific function. Last 3 lines correspond to 3 phases. Below that are the line presence pilots for L1, L2 and L3 phases. Below it is the indicator when the unit goes into forced bypass mode, and at the bottom you can see a USB port which can be used both for monitoring the system as well as for setting the voltage levels as desired by the customer. Okay. This is the top view of the unit. On the left side you can see the input cable glands, and on the right side you see the output cable glands. You will also notice that the air escape is from the top, all the 4 sides. However, that is IP 65, in the sense in spray also the water will not inside the unit, so air tracks are free. This is the rear view of the unit with the back cover removed. On the left side you can see a contactor which is bypass, and on the right side the contactor is for output on-off control. Below that you can see 3 variable transformers and buck boost transformers controlling the 3 phases L1, L2 and L3. You can also see that all the cables are color coded as required in UK. Control portion where all outputs and input currents and voltages are monitored, sampled, processed, and the process data is sent to the front 4-line monitor. Look, this is the rear side of the unit, and you can see it has the necessary warning signs and also the specification level which gives the input-output rating, protection and CE marking. This is the front view of the unit. It has a you can see on the top panel termination for input and output. Output termination is on left hand side for L1, L2, L3 and neutral and ground. Below that you can see the drive motors for the variable transformers and the 3-phase wiring. Right at the bottom you can see 4 ventilation holes covered with screens which allow inlet of cold air, and from the top the air escapes. The efficiency of the unit is extremely high, therefore heat loss is very minor and convection cooling is adequate. Next to the motor controls, you can see the motor drive with limit switches, and the display panel is fixed on the right side of the unit. Termination, N1, L2, L3 neutral, and the ground terminal, which is on the right of the top panel. Thank you.